I want to teach you how to make a portfolio, how to represent yourself well to a client or a customer. This is my bio and a collage, you could say. You could name it a couple different things. So it's Kimmy's Passion at Modern Techniques, and I have to put a new P on there. But I did wood walls because I have wood walls in the salon to make it fun. You can make it as fun as you want. I want it to really speak about who you are as a person. Make it fun. If you're more professional, where you like everything so perfect and neat, you can make it perfect and neat. Your client will know and start to understand who you are by your portfolio. So it's really kind of fun and cool. I'm definitely all over the place. I like to do a little bit of everything. So these are some haircuts that I have done, and these are also just haircuts that I've gotten out of magazines that I know that I could do their hair really well and I could nail these haircuts. So that's something important too. When you pick and choose your pictures, make sure you're able to do those haircuts. Even if you haven't done tons of haircuts yet, but you know that you could nail that bob haircut, you could put bobs in there. If you know that you could do a short layered haircut or a pixie, then put lots of pixies. And you could do famous people too. Of course, everybody wants the famous, beautiful people. So these are, I started out with short hair first, and some of them. And see, I put different backgrounds on it. You could do whatever you want. You could do it however you want. I just put this whole side all blondes. You could do one separate of just hair. You could do one separate of just color, different colors. You could do short haircut all in one color, short haircut in another color, or medium haircuts. So it's so versatile of however you want to do it. And then these are all my long layered haircuts. And this is also good for color too. You could also say, well, what about these highlights? Do you want little light pieces in there? Do you want it really light? See, this is like a lot more blonde in the light brown hair. And or style. If somebody wants it like a little shaggy and beach waves, you could just show them that and say, do you want it kind of like that, or like messy tassel look for the style after? So these things really, you can get many ideas from them. And different kind of curls. You can make a whole book also if you love to do updos, curls, braids, you could do that as well. So these things are very important, and you can make a whole bunch of different ones. Now I want to show you a couple other. This way you can see the differences. And this is my girl Nadia. So she has a portfolio in here about who she is and what she loves. And you can tell how neat she is because all her pictures are perfectly square. And she's that way too as a person. It's just so funny. She's very gentle, soft. She likes structure. Where I'm so not a structure person. Great haircuts, great colors in these. And this is just an awesome little goal board that she has of just who she is and what she loves. She's so creative, so full of passion. So it's so neat. She loves nutrition. So these things are just so fun to do. Now this is another girl, Jess. Hers is very nice and clean and neat. And I would suggest you put your picture on there and put your portfolio on there of who you are and what you like. And then you could also put like each different section of what you're doing. If it's just all long layered haircuts, you could do that too. Be creative, really have fun with it. And this is just her little goal board that she likes too. In with her pictures. Even though it doesn't have anything to do with hair, it's like just being creative. Love who you are. And know who you are and stick to that. If there's something that you love to do, just long layered haircuts, master it. You get a whole following of just long layered haircuts if that's what you're super comfortable with. Not saying that you shouldn't keep growing and trying other things, but I think that you could absolutely master something, just like a heart surgeon, lung specialist, they all specialize in certain things. So if you just love color, just do color. Okay, now this is Nicole. This is a new girl that just came here, and I love her book because she just did it like pretty quick and fast, and she just represents herself so well in here. Her bio and who she is. And just the different little things of what she did on each one. And this is a different way too. And none of them are wrong or perfect. Like they're all just our own. So be unique and be yourself. So, and two, she just made it so there's not a lot going on. And you could do that too. I think it's kind of cool, just the different varieties. I want you to think about when you do yours, what is it that you want a customer to know about you? Simple is great. And sometimes people love simple. So if I know that I have a customer that's simple, I grab her book. And so you'll learn whose book has what different styles in it. So when I see somebody that's much more it's like a very suit, prim and proper, they sit proper, they talk proper, that's when I'll know I'm gonna take Nicole's, because this has less stuff all in it. Mine has tons of stuff in it. So mine's a little bit more for that little wild, fun, crazy personality of a customer. Beautiful. And she also does a lot of updos and stuff, so she put some of them in there. She does weddings. So how awesome is that? So that is the way to make a portfolio for yourself.